Hi everyone, this is to show you how to start constructing the cubes. Um, Let me show you just a real quick that I'm going to show it in class as well. This is almost to the final of the 1 point, but if you notice there's only 4 cubes here, then we should do 9 cubes total. So the idea is you're going to play around with the composition, sizes, the locations of each cube, and see what could, you could build like a dramatic composition out of that. So I'm doing another layer of tracing paper, and that paper that I did the example of the final is on marker, so we could always, we can leave notes here, or still kind of like a scratch paper for you to keep working on it. First thing I'm going to do, if you notice the final has a floating ones, that could be achieved with some guidelines on the height as well, which we're going to build from the side wall here. So we have the grid for the floor, and now we're going to do the grid for the side wall. And all we got to do in every point here, we just pull a vertical line to the other lines in the top corner right there. Just using my mechanical pencils. Okay. And it'll be helpful too if you develop each 1 feet by 1 feet increments. And remember, we still have that increments from the picture plane in the back. So I'm just going to put it exactly there so that it's easier for me to pull a line to. From there to the vanishing point. Same exercise. Draw a line through the increments. Okay. Now I'm going to start my cube. So I would recommend you to kind of have an idea location wise, or you could keep playing on it as you go. I'm going to draw a quick thumbnail so that I kind of have a plan for me to, I'm just going to estimate all this. So I'm going to draw the face, because this is a 1 point, so everything is perpendicular to where you're standing, your view. I'm going to do maybe like this is in front of it, something a little bit in the center, medium size, really small one. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So maybe really small, 7 in the top, 8, and big one in the back, 9. Okay, so let's start to construct it. I'm going to do cube number 2. So that's fairly in the front side. That's a small one, so I'm going to do maybe 1 by 1. The first thing I'm going to do the base. Now what I'm going to do is pull vertical line on each corner. This one is actually, so follow that line to that increment. This is your height right now. You decide on that height and you pull it back into your cube. So from that corner, you're going to pull it to the vanishing point. This corner and that corner, that should be a straight line to here, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, etc.